Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we don't just talk about the crypto, we tell the stories behind it. I am going to deep dive in this video about a rare story of survival, community, redemption in the world of meme coin. This is the story of SATO. This is a project where you can easily get something that is coming back to the life with its own holder. You can easily check SATO on the base chain network. Like many other memes coin, it has fun, community-driven, and full of potential. You can also get air song too when you will click on it, then music will be start. Yes, but unlike some tokens that ride high print to nowhere. And SATO started with a twist of minimal utilities and no centralized team. This is just a pure meme value and a community vibe. If you're new on the channel, subscribe and hit the bell again for upcoming videos notification. You can easily start the music and enjoy it. Yes, you heard. There is also a complete music. But soon after the launch, original dev walk away, no update, no support, nothing. Even worse, they left behind a flawed staking program that didn't just fail to reward user, it is your token. People lost everything, both their reward initial investment. So now here, how it gets valid. SATO is here, where you can also check instead of dumping and disappearing. Like we see often in crypto, SATO holders said, "Nor, not like this." Loyal community member did something unprecedented. With your token, they reimbursed with other out their own village, redistributed token to victim of the staking collapse, restored faith and rebuilt the trust. And here you can even get how their token are available. You can easily start to buy. On their website, you can also get on the Uniswap, where you can select the token you are going to steer in, like there is Ethereum. So if you put here the number of Ethereum, then token will be calculated. And in the SATO token, you can also connect to the wallet, and then you will proceed to the next and it will be swapped. You can also get here R5 Plus. An NFT is 2 days SATO stand, not as a project with a team, but a symbol of resilience led entirely by the community. You can easily get a SATO gallery. You can explore SATO with a lot of NFTs. Yes, on the OpenSea you can also check. There is no central figure, no secret wallets, and no premiums and backdoor allocation. So what is the agenda behind this project is creativity. You can find here SATO NFTs. Originally around 5,000 NFTs were launched and the old team. After everything that happened, we decided to create a new one, the 100-piece limited collection. And Q1, the Guarnes and known as Roof DAO is evolving. So here you can also check some frequently asked questions too about SATO. Now let's talk about their NFTs angle. So here is the NFTs. The old dev launched 5,000 NFTs, but after the collapse, most were forgotten. So new community will launch a fresh and limited 100-piece collection, not for the hype, but to honor holder who stood by during the hardest time. This is a collection of badge of honor and symbol of rebirth. And yes, SATO is now listed on the centralized exchange. That is GrooveX. When you will click on it, you can easily check out On the other hand, it is also available like CoinMarketCap DX tool and CoinGecko. You can check here a complete information, and yes, SATO is now listed on the centralized exchange. There is GrooveX. It's slowly gaining the traction backed by real holders, not fake volume. So why does this matter? Because most meme coins die when the dev run, but SATO didn't, because the community refused to give up, and they supported with a complete potential. If you are looking for the project with real story, a self-healing community, no shady tactics, then you can also come to the SATO, where you will also find a complete innovation. SATO is a worth of your attention. This is what crypto should be about. Not just profit, but the people. Not just the meme, but meaning. So there you can also check the complete plans about NFTs, about their NFTs as their token utilities. So community governance, I am going to share each and everything in the video description. Now, if you want further information or you want the latest update, you can follow them on their official Twitter and Telegram. You can smash the like button if you respect community-driven project, and you can drop the comment if you have any question or query related to this project. Yes, if you have ever held a token through the hardest time, you can also share the name. You can also be one of the community member and subscribe, and you will also be given a complete information on time, because stories like this need to be told. Until next time, stay decentralized and stay to be a SATO holder. I'll catch you next video.